Question number 18 is for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So tangent is passing through origin. Okay. And now from this equation of curve also we can find equation of tangent. So first we will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be 12x square and 10x power 4. Okay, but tangent is passing through origin. Okay, so tangent is a line. Tangent is nothing but the line. So that line is passing through origin. So what will be the equation of that line? Y is equal to mx, isn't it? Where m is the slope of the tangent. So what will be the value of m then? Y by x. Okay, so slope of tangent we have y by x, and slope of tangent here, by differentiating this curve we got this expression. So both must be equal. So we will write here from 1 and 2. 12x square minus 10x power 4 equal to y by x. Okay, so this x we should multiply here. So 12x cube minus 10x power 5 equal to y. So this y value we can substitute from the question, 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Now 12x minus 4 means 8x cube, and this will give minus 8x power 5. Okay, now 8x cube we can take common. So 1 minus x square will remain here. So that means x cube equal to 0 or 1 minus x square equal to 0. So x value 0 or x square is 1. So x is 0 or x value 1 means plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so 3x value we got here. So 3 cases will arise here, and y value accordingly we can get. So if x is 0, what will be y? 0 minus 0 means 0 only. Okay, so therefore point is 0 comma 0. If x is 1, y will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. So point will be 1 comma 2. If x is minus 1, so y will be, see this value will be minus 4, and x power 5 means minus 1, minus is already there, so minus 2. So point will be minus 1 comma minus 2. So therefore we can write the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2. Question number 19, find the point on the curve. The curve is given to us at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Tangent are parallel to the x-axis means tangent is 0 here. So this is the implicit type function, isn't it? So directly we can differentiate. So 2x, then y square is 2y, dy by dx minus 2, derivative of minus 3 is 0. So now 2y dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. Okay, so y dy by dx will be 1 minus x. 2y cancelled from both the side. So dy by dx is 1 minus x by y. Okay, but since tangents are parallel to x-axis. Therefore dy by dx will be 0, slope will be 0, but we got slope is 1 minus x by y equal to 0. That is 1 minus x, this y will shift this side 0, therefore x value is 1. Okay, so if x is 1, we can find y here. So therefore y is, so 1 square plus y square minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. So we will get here, see this is minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 equal to 0. So y square equal to 4, so y will be plus minus 2. Okay, therefore points are 1 comma 2 and 1 comma, therefore the required points are 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. Question number 20, find the equation of normal at the point. Point is given to us and curve, for the curve this. So curve equation is also given to us. So first we will find slope of the tangent. So differentiate with respect to x. So a is coefficient, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. So dy by dx we will get here 3x square by 2ay. Okay. So dy by dx at the given point, this point will be, see, am square is the value of x and then square is given, divide by 2a, y value is am cube. Okay, so now this will be a square m power 4 and here 2a square m power 3. So a square will go, m, 1 m will remain here, so 3m by 2. So therefore slope of tangent is 3m by 2. So slope of normal will be, change the sign and take reciprocal, so 2 by minus 2 by 3m. So therefore equation of normal having slope minus 2 by 3m and passing through this point am square am cube is what? Y minus y1 into equals to y1 is what? Am cube equals to m, that is minus 2 by 3m, x minus x1, that is am square. 3 from 3m we can multiply here, so 3my, 3am power 4. From minus 2 we can multiply here, minus 2x plus 2am square. Now write in standard form, so these two terms should come here. So 2x plus 3my minus 3am power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. So ax plus by plus c, this complete is c. So this is the standard form of equation of normal. Question number 21 is find the equation of the normal. Okay, to this curve, which normal equation is parallel to this line. So slope of this line x plus 14 y plus 4 equal to 0 is what? Minus 1 by 14. Okay, and since normal and these lines are parallel, this line is parallel, so slope of normal will be same. Slope of normal, because parallel lines have same slope, so slope of normal will be equal to minus 1 by 14. Okay, now slope of normal we will find from this equation, curve also. So since y is x cube plus 2x plus 6, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be 3x square plus 2. Okay, so this is slope of tangent. So slope of normal will be what? Slope of normal will be minus 1 by 3x square plus 2, isn't it? Take reciprocal and change the sign. But we got here slope of normal as minus 1 by 14. So both we will equate here. Therefore from 1 and 2, minus 1 by 3x square plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 14. Okay, minus will go. So 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. So 3x square equals to 12. X square is 4. So x will be plus minus 2. Now if x is 2, what will be y? If x is 2, y will be 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6, isn't it? So 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is 18. So therefore one point is 2 comma 18. Point is, if x is equal to minus 2, y will be minus 2 cube 2 into minus 2 plus 6, means minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. So minus 6. Therefore minus 2 comma minus 6. Okay. Now we should find the equation of the normal. So equation of the normal having slope minus 1 by 14 and passing through this point, and then having slope minus 1 by 14 and passing through this point. One by one we should find here. Therefore equation of normal having slope minus 1 by 14 and passing through 2 comma 18 is y minus y1 is 18, m is 1 minus 1 by 14, x minus x1. Okay, from 14 we can multiply. So 14 into 8, 112. So 252 minus x plus 2. So this is y. X plus 14y, and this will give minus 254. Okay, and now equation of normal at this point. So therefore equation of normal having slope minus 1 by 14 and passing through minus 2 minus 6. So y minus y1, so plus 6 will come, minus 1 by 14, x minus x1, so minus 2 is there, so plus 2 will come. 14 we can multiply here, then minus x minus 2, so x plus 14y, and this minus 2 will come this side, 86 equal to 0. So this is also one of the required equation of normal. Question number 22 is, find the equation of tangent and normal at the point 80 square comma 280 to the curve this. So differentiate with respect to x. 2y dy by dx equals to 4a. Derivative of x is 1. So dy by dx we will get 4a by 2y, that is 2a by y. But at this point at 80 square 280. Now here y value only we can substitute, isn't it? So 280, that is 1 by t. So this is slope of tangent. Okay, so therefore slope of tangent is 1 by t. So equation of tangent having slope 1 by t and passing through this point 80 square 280 is y minus y1 means 280 equals to slope x minus x1 means 80 square. From t we can multiply ty, है ना, then x minus 80 square. Now x, this ty will shift that side, minus ty, minus 280 square will go this side, plus 280 square minus 280 square means plus 80 square. So this is required equation of tangent. Now for normal we should write slope of tangent is 1 by t. So therefore slope of normal will be minus t. So therefore equation of normal having slope minus t and passing through 80 square 280 will be y minus 280 minus slope x minus 80 square. So minus tx plus 80 cube. So these two terms we can shift here, tx plus y plus minus 80 cube minus 280 equal to 0. So this is required equation of tangent, normal. Question is prove that these two curves cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. Cut at right angles means they are perpendicular. So if they are perpendicular, product of their slopes will be minus 1. Okay, so we will find slope separately for each of the curve, and we should know this condition also. So now first these two curves are intersecting, means one point of intersection will be there, so that we can find by equating these two equations. Okay, so x equal to y square we will substitute here, since xy equal to k, so x is y square, so y cube is k. Okay, so y means cube root of k we can write. Y is cube root of k, so here if we substitute, therefore x will be what? X will be k power 2 by 3. This is k power 1 by 3. So y is square, no? So k power 2 by 3. Therefore point of intersection is k power 2 by 3, k power 1 by 3. Now since x is equal to y square, differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of y square is do y dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. Okay, 1. And in this case xy equal to k, product rule. So x dy by dx plus y is equal to derivative of k is 0. So dy by dx I can write minus y by x. So these two these two are the slopes. Okay, so product of their slopes should be minus 1, since they cut at 90 degree. So therefore 1 by 2y into minus y by x should be equal to minus 1. Okay, so this y will go, minus also will go, 1 by 2x is equal to 1, that is 2x is equals to 1, but x value is what? This. Okay, so we will substitute. X value is k power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Okay, taking cube both the side. So 2 cube means 8, k square will remain, and here 1 cube means 1. So these two product of these two slopes equal to minus 1 if this condition holds true. Find the equation of tangent and normal to this hyperbola at the point x0, y0. So first we'll differentiate. So 2x by a square minus 2y by b square dy by dx equal to 0. So minus 2y by b square dy by dx equals to minus 2x by a square. So dy by dx we can write, this minus 2 will go. Okay, so we can write b square x by a square y. At this point, so dy by dx at x0 y0 will be b square x0 by a square y0. This is slope of the tangent. So therefore slope of the tangent is b square x0 by a square y0. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1, that is y0, slope into x minus x0. This will go this side. Here we can write. Okay, now this x term we should write here. This 2 term will go that side. Okay, or do one thing, we can write this here, x and y together. Okay, and this b square x0 minus x0 square a square y0 square we will write here. Now see, if we divide this by a square b square, so we will get, see, this is a square, by a square b square. Okay, so see what we will get here. B square will go x square x by a square. Okay, and here a square will go, so y0 by b square. Here b square will go x0 square by a square minus y0 square, this is square, by b square. See, but this is what equation of the question, parabola. Okay, so for this equation is true for all the points belongs to this curve. Okay, this x0 y0 also belongs to this curve. That means this condition is true for x0 y0 also, but that is equal to 1, so we can write here 1. So this is required equation of tangent. Similarly you can find equation of normal. So slope of normal we should find here first. Slope of tangent is this, slope of normal will be minus a square y0 by b square x0. So now using the same equation, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, you can find equation of normal also.